The fish must be so fresh in this island. We need to check the eyes of the animals to see if it's old or new. If it's pescado right now, or a few hours earlier, or days earlier. And here they are preparing them. So big. So guys, I've probably been eating all this in the wrong market. This one is the nicest one, but the opportunity to try something over there, it was unbelievable. They're super friendly in this island. Thank you. So we are in Ko Lan. We get into a local market, but I do think it is a market for tourists, so the prices are gonna be probably very high. Anyway, if you want some fish, let's see what is the offer. It's kinda frozen. Oh my goodness, it's already so hot over here, and if you get next to the grills, it gets even worse. Probably here we do have fish balls. Thank you. Here we do have some fresh calamari in Italian. Super nice. Let's see. What else can you get in this market? Really nice. Oh, some crabs. 480 per kilos. 380. Imagine that I had all you can eat for 400. I will show you in another video. So here, catfish. This gets kinda interesting. Hello. What's that? Have you ever tried this before? Or?
You want?
No, but is it you eat also the outside or only the inside? Inside. Okay. Maybe I'll try one. So. Okay. Okay. So I can choose and mix by myself. Okay. And you eat only what's that inside? Oh, okay. No worries. How many is? 8? Okay. So 50?
Okay.
Yeah. And then let's try these things. Oh, that one is hot. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. No. Here. I can sit here or?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. What is the name? Klo Kare. Hokale. Okay. So let's try Klo Kare. Guys, pray for me because this is a matter of life and death. And this is spicy. Little. And this is same. So I will use this one. Yes, thank you. Such times you shouldn't touch food with your hands, but you know. Let's try it. And you eat the inside. Good. Yes. You're welcome. I don't know how to grab it, but okay, maybe. This now? Oh, all?
Order.
Order. Okay. It's the egg, the outside of the egg. Really good, guys. I'm surprised. Gonna eat the rest of the food by myself. Here they are laughing about me. All good. Thank you.
Hello, Mister.
All? Everything? Oh, they are suggesting me to eat the whole egg. Jesus. If I get sick, you know why.
Ah. Lên.
I'm actually really scared about eating the whole egg.
เล็กบอกว่าอยากอยู่กับถังแก๊สกูอะไรอย่างเงี้ยดูดิดูมันทำ
Thank you very much. Where do...
โอเค
Here.
กินแต่ใส่มัน
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. So let's see if we can try something else. Otherwise, probably, I mean, I don't want to leave with the taste in my mouth. It's a bit too uncomfortable for me to eat the egg. And inside the egg there is some fish. It was probably healthy. Maybe not so healthy, but it was probably good. It wasn't bad for sure. But, oh, I do need a watermelon. That's something that will clean my mouth. Hello. Can I one? How much? 25. It's kind of expensive. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Anyway, I spent €1 on a watermelon. I really need to clean my mouth from that strange fish inside the egg. And I'm checking out also the other parts of the market. Chicken? We're on the sea. I'm not gonna eat any chicken on the sea. Let's see, popcorns. We do need the cinema. Also, Japanese. Let's see. This chicken for sure. Hello. Yes, the light. Why the light? It's day. Then these are the fish balls for sure. Oh, these look good. Probably much better than what I ate. For sure, they are much better. Let's see. It's kind of a steak, sausage. Hello. Very nice. I don't want to try any meat. I am at a fish market over here on an island called something like Ko Lan. Chicken legs. No, not legs. Arms, fingers. How you call them? What else do we have here? Hello.
Hello, what you want? You can try, sir.
I can try?
Yeah, pancake, coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
It's cooked coconut. Like chewing gum. Thank you. Let's see what else do we have here. I think I know where I want to eat. I want to waste another 50 baht, which is, look guys, I'm super tall. There is all the sand over here. Anyway, let me try. I'm going there, where there are the Japanese ladies. Maybe they are not so Japanese, because otherwise, I don't know. No, my judgment is weird. That's an incredible dress. Hello. Okay. Can I do one of this? One. Just one. Yes, thanks. Okay. 50. 50 baht. Eh? Let's check it out. My finances are going away now that I'm stuck in Thailand. Thank you. I'm gonna eat some more fish and then I'm gonna clean my mouth with the watermelon that is getting hotter and hotter. Therefore I need to do it fast. Can you put it here? Thank you very much. You know guys, it's impossible to vlog and put stuff in your wallet, so I'm gonna eat one of these and then the watermelon. Maybe the watermelon first. This kid knows how to do his job. Can you show on camera? show you TikTok? Oh, so nice. I think it's okay. No, can I eat? Or it's okay or? Okay. Okay.
Spicy.
Spicy? Yeah, okay. Just a little bit. Yes. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. No, it's okay. Here. Thank you. So, let's try this. Spicy. What is the name? Name? Come si chiama? Okay. So guys, let's try this. Really good. They wanted to cut this for me, but come on. We can go here in the park and enjoy our meal. Let's see. Maybe I will destroy this altalena. I'm too fat for the altalena or not? This for sure guys was my favorite meal I ate today. Great lunch. I will finish my watermelon now and I feel so spicy around my lips because of that strange fish I just ate. I feel food in my mouth. You probably don't want to see that. Therefore, thank you so much for watching. Keep reading and believing in dreams. Ciao! I am really tempted, but I'm not a huge fan of the sweet stuff. Especially not for lunch, maybe not even for dinner. Let's see.